everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money with crypto arbitrage trading. I will explain to you what crypto arbitrage is. I will explain to you why it actually works. I will also talk about how to get started, to consider the risk involved, and I'll give you some tips to make money with crypto arbitrage. So if you have been wondering what crypto arbitrage trading is all about, this video is for you. And if you are new here, welcome. I share tips and strategies and insights on how to navigate the world of crypto, especially for beginners. So if you love content like this, kindly like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're looking forward to hit 200,000 subscribers very soon. Now, let's get into everything you need to know about crypto arbitrage trading. Now, what exactly is crypto arbitrage trading? Now, crypto arbitrage trading involves buying cryptocurrencies on one exchange where the prices are low and then selling them on another exchange where the prices are higher. Now, the difference between the buy price and the sell price is your profit. Now, for example, if Bitcoin is trading at $80,000 on exchange A, but is trading on $80,500 on exchange B, I can buy one Bitcoin for $80,000 on exchange A, and then I immediately sell it on exchange B for $80,500 to take the $500 difference. So that means that I've just made $500, and that process is called crypto arbitrage trading. Now, the reason crypto prices vary across different exchanges is due to inefficiencies in the crypto market. Now, the prices are based on the most recent buy and sell activity on each exchange, and more demand on an exchange can push the price of a crypto up, while more selling pressure on an exchange can push the price down. Now, these price differences create arbitrage opportunities where people can make money. So that is what crypto arbitrage trading is all about. Now, how does it work? Now, crypto arbitrage opportunities exist because of the large number of exchanges in the market. And you need to know that no single exchange dominates the market. No single exchange dominates the market. Hundreds of exchanges cater to different geographical regions, user bases, and coins. And this creates scenarios where the prices are out of sync across different platforms. That is, the price are not the same. While this price difference closes quickly, there's a window to capitalize on temporary inefficiencies. You can execute your buy and sell orders across different exchanges faster than the prices will normalize, and this is why it actually works. Now that we have talked about what crypto arbitrage is all about and how it works, let's talk about the step-by-step guide to get started. Now, here are the steps to follow to get started with crypto arbitrage trading. Step 1 is to open an account on multiple exchanges. Now, you need to sign up for accounts on major exchanges like BYBIT, KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, and so on. Just make sure that the crypto exchange works in your region. Having accounts on multiple exchanges gives you access to more opportunities in the arbitrage system. The second step is to fund the account. You need to deposit some funds as USDT on each exchange, and USDT allows you to easily transfer funds across different platforms without volatility concerns. And start with any amount you can raise as capital on each exchange for arbitrage trading, especially if you are just starting. And then as you gain experience, you can increase your trading capital to scale up your profits. Step 3 is to identify price differences. Now, you can use sites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to analyze price differences across exchanges, and you can look for coins that are trading at least 1 to 2% higher on one exchange compared to the others. And you can track newly listed coins, which often spike on major exchanges first before going down to smaller ones. Step number 4 is to execute your trades. Now, once you have identified the price difference, you buy the coin on the lower priced exchange and you sell it immediately on the higher priced exchange. So just like the example I gave at the beginning of this video, you buy Bitcoin on the exchange where it is trading for $80,000, and then you sell it on the exchange where it is trading for $80,500. Step 5 is to withdraw your profit. Now, after closing the trade, you withdraw your profit as USDT back to your main exchange account, and you repeat this process several times in a day to compound your profit. So these are the simple steps to get started with crypto arbitrage trading. It is simple and straightforward. Now, the next aspect we'll go into will be the factors to consider when you are doing arbitrage trading. Before we go there, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more crypto tips and strategies. So here are some key factors to consider when executing arbitrage trades. Number 1, you have the exchange fees. Now, you need to account for trading and withdrawal fees, which are charged by exchanges to calculate your net profit. Very important. The second thing you need to consider will be the volatility. Now, highly volatile assets or coins have a narrower arbitrage window before prices equalize. So I advise that you stick to stable coins and major coins like Bitcoin. The third thing to consider will be the liquidity. I will advise you to consider coins with high daily trading volumes and liquidity. And then the fourth one will be the speed. Faster order execution improves your profitability. So use exchanges with fast order execution. So these are the simple factors you need to consider when you are taking arbitrage trades. Now, while crypto arbitrage seems like free money to a lot of people, there are some risks involved. And the first one is opportunities close quickly as prices converge across different exchanges. So if you have delayed or maybe failed transfers, it can eliminate your profit. The second thing is the volatility can lead to losses if prices move against you between executing the buy and sell trades. What I mean by this is that prices can go down while you're trying to transfer your coins to sell for profit. And then number three is that technical issues on exchanges can prevent taking advantage of mispricing in a timely manner. Now, before I go, here are some tips I will give you to maximize your arbitrage trading profit. Number one is to act fast once you spot an opportunity. Very important. You need to act fast. Number two is to focus on new coin listings. This will really help you. So if you have new listings, you can use that for your arbitrage profits. The third tip is to avoid USDT trading pairs. Now, our advisor is stick to stable coins like USDC, BUSD, and DAI to avoid volatility. Now, for example, what I'm trying to say is, if you are trading Bitcoin, instead of trading BTC USDT pair, you should go for BTC USDC pair. That's very important. I hope you understand. And then number four is to avoid using fake exchanges. There are a lot of fake exchanges out there. Avoid using them. That's why I say you should use the top ones. Make sure you're using the top ones for your arbitrage trading. And then the fifth tip is don't get greedy. Crypto arbitrage is all about making tiny profits multiple times. So don't say it's because it is your turn, you want to be making higher profits on a single trade with arbitrage trading. Don't do that. It is just all about making tiny profits multiple times. And then number six is to use trading bots if you don't have time to monitor the market manually. Trading bots can help you automate the process. And I have multiple videos on how you can use trading bots to carry out your trades. I'll put the links to the videos in the description below. So this is everything you need to know about making money with crypto arbitrage trading. Crypto arbitrage is a great way to generate passive income in the crypto market. The key here is having funds across multiple exchanges and acting fast when opportunities arise. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to make money with crypto airdrops, click the video showing on your screen right here.